Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add frame to your Canva page, or you can also say border. So let's go. In that case, okay, let me change this back to white. Where's the white? Okay, so in order to add border, you can simply tap in file, and here you can go to the settings and you can see show rulers and guide. Let's tap in that. So what it's gonna do now is you can simply go to this section and drag the ruler right here, align it with the border like those. You can see the purple lines, you can align with those. And in case of the upper part, you can simply drag from the upper part and make sure you make it to the purple, which is the exact border. And as you can see, there's no any margin on the right side. What you gotta do is simply tag it from the left and put it in the purple where perfectly aligns, and same goes. Let's drag it from the top and align it with the purple. As you can see, there's no purple line here, but as you go a little bit down, you can see a thick purple line. That means that it's the exact border. So let's put it there. And there you go. This is how I put border in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.